Today being the World Hypertension Day, here I'll be talking about what are the signs and symptoms of hypertension. But one thing to be noted here is sometimes the patient has no symptoms whatsoever, so that's why it is called as a silent killer. So it's very important to have regular checkups where you need to know how much is the blood pressure levels that you are maintaining. Now coming to the signs and symptoms of blood pressure, that is hypertension. So it could have heavy head, vertigo, dizziness, and a problem with vision, that is blurring or diplopia, or problems with the swelling of the feet. So these are the initial signs and symptoms of the problem. Now, what are the risk factors? Who are more vulnerable to have high blood pressure? So if you are obese, or secondly, if you have a sedentary lifestyle, and you have poor eating habits, apart from that habits of drinking, smoking, or if you have a metabolic syndrome, that is high diabetes, or along with that high triglycerides and cholesterol, then you may be more vulnerable to have uncontrolled blood pressure. Now, what are the complications? So because of the high blood pressure, it could have there could be deposits inside the arterial wall, that is the plaque formation. Because of that, there could be narrowing of the arteries, leading to reduced blood supply to the heart or to the brain, because of which the patient can have what we call as a myocardial infarction, or there could be stroke. And that is also TIA, that is transient ischemic attack, where there is paralysis or paresis of one part of the body. It could also affect say your vision. There could be blindness, there could be changes in the retina. Also in pregnant women, it can cause eclampsia or preeclampsia changes. Because of overload upon the heart, it could have the lungs may get filled up with too much. There could be backlog, and because of that, there could be there could be edema of the lungs or pulmonary hypertension. It could have bad effects upon the kidney. So these are the various complications of high blood pressure. So it's very essential to maintain the normal levels of blood pressure. So any blood pressure reading above 140/90 is considered to be an hypertension, and that is the time that the patient should evaluate, go to the doctor, get your medication done. Always keep your blood pressure under normal. So this is all about awareness about the signs and symptoms, complications, because so as to avoid any emergency, it's better to be aware about the same.